Mike Innovative Door, doing truck door roller replacement. Let me get in here. So we got the door in half. We got to take this door off, out the back tracks, the whole thing. Change the rollers out that way. There's just no side room to do it the traditional way. Yeah, that kind of looks like someone we know, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, that's how we do the truck roller door replacement. Then obviously we're going to lube the bearings, lube the center bearing here on the spring, that thing over there, and all the tracks. And you see we got the door in half right now. Move down from here. That's how we do truck door roller repair replacement on truck doors. Innovative Door, 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not done so, please smash the subscribe button and the like button. Thank you very much for all my subscribers. It's you that make it possible, so thank you very much. And as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thank you, and God bless you guys.